I mentioned earlier that this bar up here is the function bar, and it's helpful because obviously by looking at the cell, I can't see the formula that I've just typed in. If I click on it, it still only shows me the value. But if I look up in the function bar, it shows me the formula that I use to get that value. Other simple formulas are sum, to add numbers together. Always starts with the equal sign, then type SUM, and you will see Google suggestion here. Then open parentheses and type the position of the data you want to add together. For example, B1, B2, B3. If you're not certain of what formula to use or how to use it, you can always look at the Google Help Center. There you will be able to search a specific formula and look at the syntax that is required. We can just type sum, for example, and we will see a short description on how to write the formula. We can search for median, divide, or any other mathematical function we want to use to manipulate our data.